Hi guys, welcome to the potato update. So, as you may know, the potato update is back with more potatoes and a new gun that's pretty overpowered, just saying. Yeah, so, and 94, that's not bad. So yeah, there is a green building now in the center of the map. It's always going to be dead center on the map. And we'll have a bronze barrel, as seen right now. There's a bronze barrel in here. And yeah, you're supposed to just keep punching it. And once it breaks, you see it breaking. It's kind of like one of the big rock barrels on the outside. But yeah, once it breaks, you get a very special gun. Just killed him. But yeah, this gun fires very fast, and it bloats your enemies up. Literally makes them look bigger on the screen. It makes them easier to target. This gun also has infinite ammo with the potato cannon. It also makes your enemies go slower once hit, as you can see by the potato defense. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you get the potato gun. It's the green building, always in the middle of the map.